Good day, this is V from a Canadian RVer. What I'd like to talk about today and some of the improvements that we've done, this is one of them right here, and this is a lock basically that you can use with a fob. You get a fob with it. When I ordered it, there was a special, so I got two of these fobs. As you can see, it's called RV Lock, and the website is rvlock.com. I was looking around for a while and I wanted to actually put an electronic locking system on my Class A. So I was able to do that. Now what I did is I've already installed it, but I just want to show you the pieces that of course are the old pieces. And this is the old lock that came off, and as you can see from the outside, this is the outside piece. This is the one that's actually very common on most Class A's. And of course with the strike plate, and this is the inside of it, so of course this fit on the outside of the door. On the inside there was just the usual part that you actually remove with the 3 screws, and that's what it looks like there. Of course on the inside part, the typical 2 locks and the handle of course that opens the door. Also what I did is in the box you've got a strike plate. So this is the old one. I removed it off my coach, and I put on the other one because it was a lot nicer and cleaner. And that's pretty well everything that comes in the box. There were some screws that I needed to actually put the strike plate on because it was a 10 millimeter instead of the standard. But those are basically the pieces. This is the fob right here. And I'll go over to the door now and show you the install. Here's the inside part of the door. Again, there's just 3 screws that you have to change. I believe it's this one, and this one here. These 2 ones actually hold the battery pack on. The batteries are all in here that make it all work. So again, very standard, the same as the old piece. The handle that opens the door. This one is the deadbolt lock, and this one of course is the pad handle lock, so you can lock both of them. When you leave with the fob, you just lock it basically, and it locks the deadbolt lock, not this one here. So if you're leaving for a long time, you would then use your deadbolt lock and your handle padlock part of it. Let me show you from the outside. Here it is now from the outside, and as you can see, it's a very typical Class A RV lock. This is of course for the deadbolt. This is for the handle, the pad side of it. And also too, you can lock it in 2 different ways. You can of course use your fob, which is this one actually will control 2 locks. I have it programmed on this one. And what you can do is you put in your code, you press lock, the deadbolt goes across and locks it. You come back, you can use your fob of course to use it, or you can just put your code in and press unlock. Now let me show you from the inside. There was some minor adjustments we had to make right there, but what I did too is of course I installed their strike plate, which was a little nicer. It was black in color, matched more of my frame, so that worked really well. Now let me just show you how it actually works with the fob. So if we can put the fob in the camera here, this is the lock side, and there you go. You see the fob, the deadbolt comes out. We're going to open it again. We press the button and it locks it. So that's RV Lock. It's a remote control lock system. Love it with the fob. Great product, solid, and a good quality. So it's rvlock.com.